If you're struggling to build muscle, let me tell you something right now. The typical approach to bulking up just isn't going to work for you. The reason is simple. It was designed for and tested on men who build muscle easily. Well, genetic lottery winners aside, here's some advice for the rest of us. And it's not something that's talked about in fitness magazines, instructional DVDs, or by the so-called experts you see on TV. Ready? Here it is. Some of us were born to struggle when trying to gain muscle mass. And it's not because you aren't working hard enough. That's an excuse trainers love to give to explain your lack of results when they don't have the solution. No, your issue, our issue, is genetics. You see, it's a scientific fact that your genetics determine how you build muscle. So you need a routine designed for your body, not someone else's. This is something I know about firsthand. Like you, I struggled half my life to gain muscle. A former skinny punk, I graduated high school weighing just 147 pounds at 6 feet tall, and that was after 5 long years of training. I also tried every system and diet imaginable, but still got nowhere for years. That is, until I cracked the muscle code and found the formula that works for genetically challenged guys like us. You see, we're all born with our own genetic potential. That's why you know certain guys who can get jacked up just by tiptoeing around a weight bench, while us skinny guys, or hard gainers, ectomorphs, whatever you want to call us, can lift a barbell 1,000 times and not gain an ounce of muscle. And so if you're in the skinny guy category like I was, the last thing you want to do is follow the same training routine as your genetically blessed friends, athletes, or cover models. Yet that's exactly what most people do. Making classic mistakes like ignoring the law of progressive overload, not training each muscle group frequently enough, doing too many sets and reps, and not cycling their training for maximum results. And you guessed it, they fail. But you don't have to. Not anymore. You can become much bigger and stronger, as I've already shown you. I started off as a skinny, fat punk. Not only that, but I was about as injury prone as a glass of water. But by figuring out the truth about gaining muscle as a skinny guy, I've catapulted to a rock-solid 214 pounds, and I've never looked back. Believe me, I learned the hard way. Like you, I was misled by the supplement industry, fitness publications, and personal trainers that just didn't have a clue. What all those businesses have in common is that they depend on people like you buying their products over and over again. So it's actually in their best interests to keep you skinny and striving for mass gains. It makes sense, doesn't it? Finally, after a bunch of tireless years of trial and error, painstaking research, and weeding through all the crap out there, I created a program that's guaranteed to get you bulked up, even if you're a skinny hard gainer who's lost all hope and are as genetically cursed as I am. By the way, if that sounds like you, you're definitely not alone. Over the past 18 years, I've worked with thousands of genetically challenged men. In fact, my system has transformed the bodies of over 52,000 skinny guys and helped them become massive, muscular men just like I have. My ability to smash through training barriers is the reason why my gym was ranked one of the best in the world and why I've been identified by every reputable fitness publication as the go-to guy for muscle gains. So, fellow hard gainer, I feel your pain. But today, everything is about to change. My system, Muscle Gaining Secrets 2.0, is the ultimate 90-day skinny to jacked transformation Bible. Muscle Gaining Secrets 2.0 is specifically designed for guys that are struggling to gain mass, skinny or smaller guys that want to look bigger, beginners who are looking to add muscle but aren't sure where to start, and anyone that has ever tried to pack on muscle and not seen results. My proven system is packed with practical information that anyone can understand, so don't worry if you aren't fluent in Latin. Muscle Gaining Secrets 2.0 is short on scientific jargon and long on down-to-earth muscle-building facts and straightforward instructions to help you, fellow hard gainer, in your quest to realize your true jacked-up potential. Now, you're probably thinking you'll have to make the gym your permanent mailing address and spend hours pumping iron to make your muscle-building dreams a reality. But nothing could be further from the truth. In fact, all that's required is 4 workout sessions per week lasting just 45 minutes each. And since you can expect to see significant results in just 60 days, you can take all the gym time you save and use it to admire your newly bulked up physique in the mirror for hours on end. In the meantime, check out the before and after pictures on this webpage for an idea of what others have been able to achieve. Now, what if I'm wrong about all this? That's a great question. If you don't experience the fastest and most dramatic muscle gains you've ever thought possible within 60 days, I will happily refund your money. That's guaranteed. That's what I call having nothing to lose and everything to gain. Ready to finally get started on the right path to building muscle and having the body you've always dreamed of? It's closer than you think, and you can download it right now. The system, not the body. You're going to have to do some work for that part of it. Just imagine it. No more being a stepchild to crappy, skinny genetics. No more money wasted on every supplement promising you the moon. And no more slaving away in vain at the gym for hours on end. No matter how hard you've trained in the past and how discouraging the results have been, Muscle Gaining Secrets 2.0 is guaranteed to show you exactly what you need to do to build muscle fast. No drugs, no expensive supplements, and no unnecessary time at the gym. You've wasted enough time on routines, regimes, and products that lead to depressing results. Download Muscle Gaining Secrets 2.0 now and make this year the year you finally get the body you want.